Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of heart-healthy eating. We all know the importance of keeping our cholesterol levels in check. And in this video, we'll explore some exciting and mouthwatering foods that can help reduce bad cholesterol. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Cholesterol is a fatty substance in our blood that can be divided into good, HDL, and bad, LDL, cholesterol. We're focusing on the LDL today, the one we want to reduce. Now that we've got that covered, let's explore our first superfood. Our first contender in the battle against bad cholesterol is none other than oatmeal. Not only is it a breakfast staple, but it's also packed with soluble fiber, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Number 2. Avocado. Avocado lovers, rejoice! Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known for their cholesterol-lowering properties. They're also loaded with essential nutrients and make for a creamy addition to various dishes. Number 3. Fish, like salmon and mackerel, are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help lower your bad cholesterol levels while boosting your heart health. Number 4. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are heart-healthy snacks you'll want to keep on hand. They're packed with unsaturated fats, fiber, and plant sterols, which can help lower LDL cholesterol. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is more than just a soothing beverage, it's a cholesterol-fighting champion. It contains antioxidants called catechins, which may help reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Number 7. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious but also high in fiber and antioxidants, which can contribute to lower cholesterol levels. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is often referred to as liquid gold, and for good reason. It's a key player in the Mediterranean diet, known for its heart protective benefits. Number 9. The garlic. Garlic has been hailed as a superfood for centuries, and it's no surprise. It contains allicin, a compound that may help lower cholesterol levels. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate can be a part of your cholesterol-lowering journey. It's rich in antioxidants called flavonoids that may improve heart health. Remember, a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are key to maintaining good heart health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow foodies. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative food adventures. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep savoring those heart-healthy bites. Thanks for joining us Bodily Builders today, and until next time, happy eating.